Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are visiting Abdullah Shah Ghazi Shrine located at Clifton, Karachi. Today is Thursday, maybe the crowd is a little bit more. And this line you can see this line at the left. They are waiting for langar. Langar means free food. They are providing free food for them. And today we are visiting the shrine that Mr. Moby Log is with us. Yes, hello. And the Sikrama Haryani is also with us. Uh, you can see these shops. These shops before they were located at the footpath outside, but now in the new complex, now the shrine is become a big complex. So they bring these shops inside. They are selling flowers. They are fabric sheets, and also the kitchens are here who are making that linger. And now we are entering in the shrine. The security checkup. The guard is there. We are searching for every person. And now we are inside. It's a very big place here. Out, it's all open place. And you can see the mazar on this way. The work is still going on. I think it's not ready. There's too much crowd today. Weather is good. Everybody's going upstairs. This line. Now we are also going upstairs. There are some people who are keeping the shoes with them and issuing a token. They are also charging, I think, 10 rupees or 20 rupees per pair. Uh, these all new constructions. They are not here before. There are the stairs going up. We are going up. The stairs are two-way where the people can easily move. One side is for coming and one side is for going away. Stairs are now easier than before. Before there was straight and very long stairs. But now they're turning three or four times, and you can move and you can rest. You see the new construction. See the upstairs. And yes, it's a open area of the shrine outside. Now we are reached up. There's a hall. In this hall, there are five or six stairs. This is the family tree. You can see family tree of Abdullah Shah Ghazi, which is famous nowadays. This Malan is there. Uh, according to this board, Abdullah Shah Ghazi died in 151 AD, 151 Hijri. So it should be more than 200, 1200 years. So the Mutawallim, after coming, their people should be 90 to 100 people. So the grave should be 90 to 100. But there's only 5 to 6 graves are there. So please watch our another video. Its link is in description. It's a history of Abdullah Shah Ghazi Shrine. There you can find all the reality. And now we are up again. Here also a big open place. very proud. And this is the top floor. You can see a door at the left, a big door. It is the door of a big hall where the grave is located. Grave of Abdullah Shah Ghazi. We are going to see this inside hall. So the work, beautiful tile work is there, and the walls, and walls and ceiling. Very beautiful work. But, yeah, you can see different designs, different colors. Yeah. At the left, there is a room, small room. Room is not big. In this room, the grave is located. See this room. It's not a big room, but too much crowd is there. The grave is also located in this room. You can see this. Yeah, you can see the white marble. It's the grave. Uh, there's some place to pass on. If you don't want to go inside the room, you can pass from the back side. There's a good space to go out and this to back side. Back side. So now we are going out. It's too much crowd. Too much. But now we are out. Now we want to keep this. See, outside. So now we are going to see the spring. We are seeing the spring of drinking water, and it's called the believers says it's a miracle of Abdullah. We'll talk about this later. We are taking our shoes, and then after that we asked some people where is that spring, but they didn't reply. We asked him again and again, and then one person also we got. He told us because there he told us the way, and now we are at the main door. From the main door, it's located at the right side. You see this place, this way, yeah, this is the way. This way is going upstairs also good. This way is going down. You have to go down this way also. The green lights, very good lights. Very again, the person is here with people's shoes and charges. You can get the shoes and you can here. There's also space. Then down. When there is here, you can use this. We are going down. This at the right side. It's called Chilaga. Chilaga means a place where somebody worship for 40 days, and this is the place that they are claiming that Abdullah Shah Ghazi had spent 40 days Chila one time, or maybe more than one time. But people see what we are doing. Plates, fabric pieces, they are all not there. And now we are going down. You can see this fence, And the, yeah, this is the spring, but we can't find spring. Very little water we can see. Very little. There's like just nothing. In this fence also, people noted with sand, fabrics and threads and everything like this. You see, this water, there's nothing, very little water. So we can, if we can show you, will show you from upstairs. Yes, so much money is there. See, the current, that's from upstairs. Upstairs. That's from upstairs. Ah, yeah. Now, see, there's no water, but so many money. This currency notes and coins and with the flowers there. It was our visit. Uh, about this, I want to say something about the spring. Once, one friend, uh, he was the captain of a cargo ship. Came here in Oman, and we met him. He invited us on the ship. We went there. We spent half, more than half day with him. We also had lunch with him. He uh, he showed us all the ship, all sides. He brought us downstairs in the engine also. The first time, so it was our first chance to see this all, and then he brought us to control tower. There is a skipper room. There is everything was there. Skipper wheel, compasses was there, and some monitors was there. He shows us everything. For speed control was also there. He showed us everything, and then he showed us a monitor. There were lines up and down, different lines, and in between there was a different lines. He told us, "Do you know what is this?" We didn't know, so we said, "No, we don't know." He said, "It's a river between the sea." I said, "What?" He said, "Yeah, these lines are lines of sea, there's salted water, and these lines are river, it's drinking water." I said, "How is it possible?" He said, "Yes, it's possible. We can see it everywhere, and this monitor is for there." And then we thought and we remember the ayat of Quran, Surah Rahman, with مرج البحرين يلتقيان بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان. So when the Quran said it's the same thing, so don't need any miracle. Many places you can find drinking water near the sea, and you can, if you know about the science, it's normal. It's a normal thing. No need miracle for this one. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you like this video. If you like, uh, please like and comment on this video. Also share with their friends. And if you are not not still subscribed our to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you can find our new videos with the time. And thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.